enjoy. I'm also your tour guide on the helicopter with Guy Annie. And now we are passing to the Got Tapu. You see the rock in the middle of the sea?
Yeah.
This particular kind of rock. And do you want to know about the myth about this?
Yes, we want
Because
to know.
Guy Annie informed about the scientific way. I think you might want to know about it.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's
we
do
would
the
like to
story.
know.
Yeah, so I'm gonna begin with there lived a man who is fisherman. So he went to the sea and catch many fish every day. And one day he couldn't catch any fish. He catch only a nail. So he threw the nail back to the sea and he catch it again. And he get furious. So he take the sword and cut the nail in half.
Oh.
Yes. And he throw back the nail to the sea and it's become his rock.
That's why it became to be called a pool.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you know why James Bond Island is famous to this day?
Oh, I watched the James Bond 007 movie before.
Yes. And you know what to call the film?
No, we don't do
It's
that.
called The Man with the Golden Gun. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, the famous scene was the duel scene between the James Bond and the villain. They take the gun like this, they fight each other. Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah. In front of the rock over there, we stand behind. Okay, as we pass to Got Pan Yi, Guy Ann inform you a little bit about information about this island. I would like to tell you more about it. Now when you want to go to Got Pan Yi, you know how to wear the dress? You know?
No.
Where we have
I-
today's popular because it's a Muslim society.
Yes, that's correct. And women not allowed to wear the skirt. Okay, have to wear long sleeve shirt, long trouser, and you have to respect for the people that live there. And for the electricity, it costs 6 times as much on Got Pan Yi and it's dark in Phuket City. It's very much. And you know how they do about security here?
No.
Because you see, there is no police station because they have one policeman to take care of the whole island. Because it's safe, very safe and peaceful.
Oh, that's
Yes.
amazing.
And you see over there, the yellow roof over there. See? Yeah,
Yes.
that's the one and only mosque here.
Yes.
The old people from this island go to the mosque and pray. Yes. And when they have a funeral, they have a, we call kubo, or the graveyard. And then near the mountain over there, yes, they bury the body under the ground. So, it's Muslim way, Muslim way. Okay. So now I want to give you more time to take a look at the overview around Phang Nga Bay. You can enjoy the scenery along the